Hi, in this video series I'll be talking about how one can stay fit and healthy during this lockdown period. So I'll be talking about home workouts, and also I'll be showing you few basic mobility drills and stretches that you can easily do while you're working from home. I'll be talking about nutrition and also how to improve your sleep during this lockdown period. Okay, so first I want to start with people who are working from home all day long in front of their laptops. So you can do these basic full body mobility drills and stretches while you're working, and it's overall great for your mobility. So you can do this anytime during the day when you're sitting and working from your laptop or in front of your desktop. So mobility drills are not the same as stretches. Mobility training helps in improving the range of motion around your joints, and it releases synovial fluid. Now synovial fluid is a thick liquid that lubricates the joints and allows for ease of movement. So mobility training helps in keeping your joints healthy. It can help in improving your posture. Also, it can decrease everyday aches and pains. First mobility drill is for your neck and overall cervical. Bend your neck side to side and up and down. Next is shoulder rotations. Make a nice big circle and open up your chest. Keep your back straight and do not relax on the chair. Do it clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can also do arm swings with one hand at a time. Make a nice big circle. Do it on both the sides, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next, we will come to chest flies. This will stretch out your chest muscles. Keep your hands in front of you parallel to the floor. You can also do this movement diagonally. Next is a really good exercise for your upper back, that is retraction and protraction of the scapulae. Scapulae means shoulder blades. This will work on your upper back. Breathe out when you push your shoulder blades back and breathe in when you bring hands forward. Next is seated rows. This is really a good exercise for your back and latissimus dorsi. Hold it for a few seconds when you pull your hands back. Forearms will be parallel to the floor. Breathe out when hands are behind and breathe in when you bring hands forward. Next is the classic torso rotations. Next is side bends. Again an important drill, as in our day-to-day life we hardly bend laterally, that is sideways. You can also keep both hands behind your neck and do this drill. Next is shrugs, that is scapular elevation and depression drill. This will work your trapezius muscles. Hold at the top for a few seconds, then slowly bring your shoulders down. Breathe out when you lift shoulders up and breathe in when you bring shoulders down. Next, we will come to lower body drills. First is leg extensions. This will work your quadriceps muscle, that is your thigh muscles. Do it on both the legs. Next is seated calf raises. This will work your calf muscles, specifically the soleus muscles. You can add more resistance by applying force through your hands. Now some ankle mobility drills. Go up and down. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. Do it on both the legs. Next we will be doing some stretches. Now first is the cervical stretch. This is a really good stretch for your neck. Hold it for 30 to 45 seconds and do it gently. Next is your upper back stretch. This is a really good stretch for your upper back. You need to open your shoulder blades for this stretch. That is, your scapulae should be in a protracted position. Next is just shoulder stretch. Specifically, it will stretch your posterior deltoids. Next is your hamstring and posterior stretch. This will really stretch out your calves, hamstrings, back, neck. Try to touch your toes. Hold each stretch for 30 to 45 seconds. So these are the mobility drills and stretches that you can do when you are sitting. Also get up and move around after every 30 to 45 minutes. Also, if possible, when you are on a call, either stand or walk around the house. Also, sitting in that squat position and doing jhadu pota will improve mobility, and it's overall a great workout in itself. In the next video, I'll be speaking more on home workouts and different styles of training. Also, I'll be speaking on nutrition and sleep, which are key in building your immunity. Also, you might want to check out my other home workout series for beginners. This is Mithun Jain. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.